Vampire bat. In the dark depths of the night, a creature emerges that has captured our imagination for centuries. Its reputation as a blood-sucking predator has fueled legends and sparked curiosity. Can you guess the mysterious creature we're about to explore? Prepare to unveil the secrets of the vampire bat, a winged marvel that defies our expectations. But here's the question. Did you know that vampire bats are more than just creatures of folklore? Welcome to Untamed Animals, where today we delve into the captivating truth about these enigmatic bloodsuckers. Are you ready to delve into the world of the vampire bat and separate fact from fiction? Let's begin the adventure. In the realm of darkness, the vampire bat reigns supreme as one of nature's true masters of the night. With their nocturnal prowess and remarkable adaptations, these winged creatures have perfected the art of navigating the shadows in pursuit of sustenance. Vampire bats belong to the family Philiostamidae, a diverse group of bats found in Central and South America. These remarkable mammals have evolved to thrive in the darkness, taking full advantage of the cover it provides for their unique feeding habits. With a keen sense of hearing and exceptional night vision, vampire bats possess the tools necessary to navigate through pitch-black environments with remarkable precision. They skillfully maneuver through the night sky, detecting obstacles and locating their prey with astonishing accuracy. When it comes to feeding habits, vampire bats stand alone as the only mammals that exclusively consume blood. These remarkable creatures have adapted to subsist on the vital life force of other animals, making them the epitome of nature's bloodsuckers. Contrary to popular belief, vampire bats do not suck blood. Instead, they employ a more refined and delicate feeding technique. Using their razor-sharp incisor teeth, they make tiny, virtually painless incisions in the skin of their unsuspecting prey. The bats possess a specialized saliva that contains anticoagulant enzymes, which prevent the blood from clotting and allow for a steady flow. Once the incision is made, the vampire bat's long and slender tongue, equipped with grooves for efficient blood uptake, is inserted into the wound. By lapping up the blood, they can consume an astonishing amount relative to their body size, up to half their body weight in a single feeding session. To sustain their unique dietary needs, vampire bats have developed a remarkable adaptation in their digestive systems. Their stomachs produce powerful digestive enzymes that break down the high-protein blood diet efficiently. This adaptation enables them to extract the necessary nutrients from blood and efficiently eliminate excess fluid. Interestingly, vampire bats have also evolved a system of reciprocal feeding, known as allogrooming, within their social colonies. If a bat fails to acquire a blood meal, others within the group may regurgitate blood to share the sustenance. This cooperative behavior ensures the survival of the colony as a whole, cementing their social bonds and ensuring a collective success in obtaining nourishment. The bloodthirsty feeding habits of vampire bats, although seemingly macabre, highlight the remarkable adaptations that have allowed them to carve out a unique niche in the intricate web of life. As we explore the intriguing world of these nocturnal predators, we gain a deeper understanding of the intricacies of nature's design. Vampire bats, with their highly specialized feeding techniques, demonstrate the extraordinary lengths to which species will evolve to meet their nutritional requirements in challenging environments. By unraveling the secrets of their bloodthirsty feeding habits, we develop a newfound appreciation for the complexity and diversity of nature's solutions to survival. Vampire bats, in all their remarkable adaptations, remind us of the remarkable wonders that lie hidden within the mysterious night. Vampire bats have evolved a range of extraordinary adaptations that enable them to thrive in their blood-centric lifestyle and ensure their survival in challenging environments. These adaptations, finely tuned by millions of years of evolution, are a testament to the remarkable abilities of these unique creatures. One of the most remarkable adaptations of vampire bats is their keen sense of hearing and exceptional night vision. These sensory capabilities allow them to navigate through the darkness with remarkable precision. Their acute hearing allows them to detect the movements and vocalizations of both their prey and potential threats, while their excellent night vision enables them to distinguish fine details and perceive their surroundings even in the dimmest of light. Another fascinating adaptation is their wings, which are elongated and membranous, allowing for silent flight. This silent flight enables vampire bats to approach their prey undetected, ensuring a successful feeding attempt. The elongated wings, combined with their exceptional maneuverability, make them highly skilled aerial predators, capable of navigating complex environments with agility and precision. Thermoreception, the ability to sense heat, is another remarkable adaptation of vampire bats. Located on their noses, specialized heat-sensing organs known as nose leaves allow them to detect areas of high blood flow in their prey. This unique ability enables them to precisely locate blood vessels close to the surface of the skin, optimizing their feeding efficiency. Furthermore, vampire bats possess adaptations in their saliva that aid in blood consumption. Their saliva contains anticoagulant enzymes that prevent blood from clotting, allowing for a continuous flow during feeding. This adaptation ensures that the blood remains in a liquid state, making it easier for the bats to consume the necessary amount. Vampire bats typically live in large colonies that can consist of hundreds or even thousands of individuals. These colonies are often made up of multiple family groups, with each group consisting of several related females and their offspring. Male vampire bats tend to have looser social ties and may roost separately from the females. When a bat returns from a successful feeding expedition, it regurgitates a small portion of its blood meal to share with less fortunate roost mates. The bats that receive these regurgitated meals benefit from the act of food sharing, helping them sustain their energy levels and increasing their chances of survival. This reciprocal behavior forms the foundation of a system that fosters cooperation and solidarity within the colony. Studies have shown that vampire bats are highly selective when it comes to choosing recipients for food sharing. By establishing these social bonds and maintaining cooperative relationships, vampire bats create a network of support and increase the overall success of the colony. The social structures of vampire bats extend beyond food sharing. They also engage in grooming behaviors, where they meticulously groom one another's fur. Through grooming, vampire bats reinforce social connections and promote social cohesion within the colony. These complex social structures demonstrate that vampire bats are not solitary creatures solely driven by their blood-feeding needs. Instead, they have evolved a sophisticated system of social cooperation and mutual support. By fostering relationships and engaging in altruistic behaviors, vampire bats exemplify the remarkable ways in which animals can thrive through collective efforts and the bonds they forge beyond blood ties. While vampire bats have adapted to their environments, they face a range of conservation concerns that threaten their populations. These challenges stem from habitat loss, human-wildlife conflicts, and misconceptions surrounding their role in disease transmission. Habitat loss due to deforestation and agricultural expansion is a significant threat to vampire bats. As their natural habitats are disrupted or destroyed, the bats face difficulties in finding suitable roosting sites and reliable food sources. Conservation efforts aim to protect and restore their habitats, ensuring the availability of resources necessary for their survival. Human-wildlife conflicts arise when vampire bats come into contact with domestic animals and humans. Bats may transmit diseases, such as rabies, to livestock and occasionally humans. These conflicts often lead to negative perceptions and retaliatory actions against vampire bats. Educating communities about the ecological importance of bats and promoting measures to minimize disease transmission can help mitigate conflicts and foster coexistence. Public perception and understanding of vampire bats play a crucial role in their conservation. Dispelling misconceptions surrounding their feeding habits and addressing fears associated with diseases are important steps toward their protection. By raising awareness about the vital ecological roles vampire bats play as pollinators and seed dispersers, conservation efforts can garner support and promote their conservation. Research efforts focused on studying vampire bat populations, monitoring their behavior, and understanding their ecological significance contribute to conservation initiatives. These studies provide valuable insights into their biology, population dynamics, and habitat requirements, aiding in the development of effective conservation strategies. Safeguarding vampire bats requires collaborative efforts involving governments, local communities, scientists, and conservation organizations. Protecting their habitats, promoting coexistence, and addressing the misconceptions surrounding these fascinating creatures are vital for ensuring the long-term survival of vampire bat populations. But now, we'd like to know from you. Did you know that vampire bats have an incredible system of sharing food with each other? Can you guess the name of this unique behavior and how it benefits their social bonds? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content like this. We'll see you with another interesting video.